glitch ever in Watch Dogs.
Wait, can I get in?
No, don't get in. Do not.
I can't.
She's screaming for help.
She can't even do it.
What the heck is going on? Half the car is in the ground. This is
So
the
is
best
this
glitch ever.
I think this is an Easter egg.
It's not an Easter egg, it's a glitch. What is going
I get it.
What is going on?
Really? Can I get
No!
Oh, I can't get in. This sucks.
Where are you trying to go?
All there is
You're trying to go to the wall, to like this giant tube thing? What if she went right through there? I would have laughed.
She's going through that.
What is she doing? What the heck? What is he doing? You got, ma'am, there's a person stuck to your car. Ma'am,
Wait, where's the head?
ma'am,
There's the
you need
head.
help.
I found the
Oh my
head.
god, it's inside the car.
That's the worst glitch ever.
That's the best one ever.
Where's
Ma'am,
the,
did you know that you're carrying?
Where's
Did you know you're carrying?
arm? He's this. Where is he?
Ma'am, did you know that you're carrying a very illegal person? What the? Where is your
She's going
waypoint?
in circles.
Where is your waypoint? Where are you trying to go?
Oh look! I need to steal that car.
No, don't steal it. I'm just gonna call the police.
Now what? I just got payment and unlocked the jukebox.
This looks so funny.
Wonder if I can like.
And he's like, hey guys.
Wait, I wonder if I can get him in my car. Oh yeah, yeah I can. He's under my car.
That's the best blue